how to say Merry Christmas. To say Merry Christmas, you say Wesołego, bożego, narodzenia. Wesołego, bożego, narodzenia. So it's 3 words, and let's work on those words separately. The first word, Wesołego, the W's sound like V's, so it's veso-wego. L's, with a line through them, is an accent that turns the L into W. So, veso-wego. Wesołego. The second word, bożego, bo-zhe-go. A dot on top of the Z turns it into a zh. Bo-zhe-go. Bożego. And the third word, Na-ro-dze-nia. 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 So, Wesołego, bożego, narodzenia. At full speed, Wesołego, bożego, narodzenia. Go ahead. Let me hear you say it. Very good. To ask, what do you want for Christmas? You say, co chcesz na święta? Co chcesz na święta? So let's break this one down. Co. Then in the Polish language, a CH, the C is silent, so it's just H. Chcesz. The SZ makes a sh sound. Chcesz. Chcesz. Na. Święta. An S with a line on top is the accent that turns it into sh. Then the W is the V, and then the E makes an L. So, święta. 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 Co chcesz na święta? At full speed, it should sound like this. Co chcesz na święta? Go ahead. Now you ask me. The list is too long, but thanks for asking. That was great. That's how you say Merry Christmas.